Follow the steps on how to save a brush set from Freepik to Illustrator. Let's start by opening the Freepik website and searching. Filter file type. I recommend choosing this one. Download and save to folder. Open the file. Show the brush panel. Here the watercolor brush is available automatically. You can try. Select and change the color of the stroke option. To save it, click the library icon and save brushes. Rename the file. Now let's try with a new document. You can find the brushes that you have saved in user-defined. Now you can use this freely. To delete a brush that you have previously saved, you can do it this way. Now user-defined is empty. Good luck! Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.